everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shishti and I'm back again with a long YouTube video that is Get Ready With Me. This time this GRWM is for the upcoming festive season. There is already Navratri going on and there is Diwali incoming and a lot more of festivals. So I thought of making this video because beginners would be really wanting to look for such videos. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, let's start with some skincare, and of course I will be using sunscreen for prepping up my skin because I've already done my skincare. So I am reapplying this Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. This particular sunscreen, it is hyped for a reason and as magic beneath makeup. So first of all, let's start up with primer, and I am using this e.l.f primer. This is literally a good primer if you are doing makeup for festive season and you want your makeup to just stick around till end of the day. This is the primer that keeps your makeup intact on the place. Going to K Beauty's primer, that is a illuminating primer, and since I am into that glowy dewy look, so I cannot skip this particular primer. I really love that glow when my makeup glows, when my skin glows from within. When your makeup is glowy, it is itself like very pretty. So this particular product is you can say it's a glowy product. So I'm using this illuminating primer also to just have that dewy look. Since Nykaa is running a huge festive sale, you can get it on a good discount also. In fact, all the products from Nykaa, from Tira, from Myntra, everywhere there is this discount going on, and you can just get it in lowest prices. So guys, run shopping. On to foundation, that is L'Oreal Infallible Freshwater Foundation, and it has vitamin C with SPF 25. So this foundation is my go-to foundation because it is really lightweight, and the makeup that looks cakey, that is heavy onto your skin, and your skin cannot even breathe, this would be a lightweight foundation only. Using this foundation brush to blend my foundation in, giving me a dewy finish, and I love this foundation. You just don't need to do anything. It effortlessly blends into your skin while leaving your skin glowy and intact. I love the shade range for this L'Oreal Infallible range because there are many brands where I cannot find my particular shade. Either it's too dark for me or it's too light for me, and I can do anything. I can do anything, but I cannot wear wrong foundation shade on my face because that is very cringe and that is very. I'm moving on to blush. It's from e.l.f, and many of them claim that it's a dupe of Rare Beauty. I've not used a Rare Beauty blush till now, but when I am looking into the videos of Rare Beauty blushes, I also feel that the shade is mostly similar. So I am using it on my high points, and just see the pigmentation. It is really beautiful. The glow. Guys, thanks me later for this product, but this is literally one of my best purchase I had last month, I think in August, and it is really good, and long lasting, check. It is glowy, check. It is pigmented, check. And of course it looks natural and that glow. So I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible full wear full coverage concealer. This is really good, lightweight but full coverage concealer. Just using in the eye corners. Initially, don't even knew how to use concealers. By time I learned by myself, and I'm proud again. So yeah, to find a good concealer brush is only the task, but guys, I'll just mention this brush link in my description box below. If you're looking for a concealer brush, go buy this one. I'm using this Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. This palette has all the warm shades and festive shades, pink, warm, brown, everything this palette can give. And this is one of my luxe palette I'm having, and it's really beautiful. All the shades are really pigmented and worth it. Worth every penny. Huda, of course, Huda's products are always best. Just used two shade, one lighter shade and one dark shade to give that radiant look. Using the highlighter in the corner of my eyes, covering my waterline with that particular shade. So I got this as a PR. This is from Mary Joke Cult Makeup. It's in black and bold, and it's a eyeliner pencil. I got this mascara as a PR, and it is from Mary Joke. It's an ultra lash defined mascara, and it comes with this kind of brush. It's a good volume. Inside loose border. This also I got as a PR, and I cannot stop using it forward. So I'm just taking a little amount, dabbing it in, just setting my under eye. That's the thing I need to set. Self-taught, whatever you can say, self-taught makeup content creator or anything. So I'm really like proud that how makeup is taking me into this line, and this is like a therapy to me. Nothing like I'm expecting from this field, but yeah, I love doing this thing, recording myself and doing makeup in front of camera and just talking whatever I can. So yeah, anyways, so next I'm using this K Beauty highlighter, and this is a liquid highlighter, so I'm just using a teeny tiny amount over my cheeks, and I'm just blending it using my fingers only. So that instant glow you can see, right? This is what this product did to me. And I'll be moving to my lips. And for that, I'm using a lip liner that is from Mars, and this is such a pigmented lip liner, and it is really under budget. So if you want the link for this lip liner, it's in the description box below. You guys just check it there. Technique that I'm trying these days, after lining my lips, I'm using a concealer in mid of my lips. So after using a concealer on my lips, again I'll be lining my lips. A little bit of gloss onto it. So I am using this Indie Wild Dewy Lip treatment that I use as a lip gloss also, and this is in the shade Caffeine, and this has that brown tint into it, and I am literally loving this shade. So you can see how plumped and how dewy my lips are looking, and I am loving this lip combo. This is my 2025 festive lip combo, and I'm loving it on my lips. You guys, I think that's the makeup look, and that's the festive makeup look of the season, and I hope you guys would have loved it. All the product links that I have used in this whole video, I'll be mentioning in the description box below with the shade, so don't forget to check it there. And if you're having any query related to this makeup video, just comment down in the comment section below. And really, 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 I need your support. If you want these type of videos during this whole festive season, just comment your suggestion in the comment box below. And also I have just created my new Instagram page. It would be also mentioned in the description box below. Don't forget to check there and just follow me there, support me there. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.